Click subscribe for update video every day.
Polk Audio's latest addition to the super-saturated market of over-ear headphones. The Buckle may sound like a pilgrim-themed throwback to the days of our forefathers, but they're actually another offering in the company's heritage collection. The series of stripped-down products illustrates Polk's calculated focus on rustic style with a minimalist twist. The Buckle seemed to live up to their name stylistically, brandishing a sheath of worn leather across the headband, a muted color scheme, and thick cuts of matte-finished metal. On Polk's website, the Buckle are framed next to a whiskey flask, a passport, and even a compass on a leather cord, looking ready to accompany you on some Tintin-esque steamship adventure. But the $200 U2018 phones also boast some modern conveniences, including an innovative iOS control system and microphone built right into the frame. We recently took the Buckle on our own adventure, discovering in the process just how well they fared when traveling beyond the aesthetic landscape and into the real world of modern audio. The unboxing experience you get from the Buckle falls somewhat awkwardly between premium and budget brand packaging. Opening the faux wooden box, oddly, from the bottom by design, we discovered the headphones cupped in a thin layer of biodegradable packing foam. We tugged on the U2018 phones to discover little plastic bonds that made it a bit of a chore to remove them. Once released, we discovered heaps of soft white leather along the interior, conveying that new headphone smell. The headband's exterior was also leather-clad, this time with a textured coat of brown. At the ends of the band our fingers met heavy-gauge metal arms, supporting turtle shell-style ear cups set back at an angle. Unlike many new headphones we evaluate, we were a little surprised to find the Buckle's ear cups do not collapse inward for more compact travel. Also in the box was a small collection of accessories including a felt tote bag, a removable brown headphone cable, a gold XBC inch adapter, and a packet of instructional material. While the Buckle come in a more classic color scheme of black on silver, our brown and white version offers a little more personality, slightly reminiscent of a pair of Doc Martens. Whether or not that's a good thing is a matter of taste. Though we prefer a more traditional look, the construction feels pretty solid overall, especially with those thick hunks of metal. But